Hello class, Mr. Stone here. Our lesson for today it's an algebra lesson and it's radical equations. So here's the problem they gave you. They gave you the square root of 5x plus 1 minus 6 equals 0. So how would we solve this? So truthfully, the easiest way, let's get rid of the 6 first, okay? So it's a negative 6, so what's the opposite of that? Positive 6. Okay, so we add, let me get this pen going, pen. I wish these things worked automatic, but they don't. Okay, we got the pen. So we add 6 to both sides. What you do to one side, you gotta do to the other side. Okay? So what's it come down to? These two 6's cross out, so it comes down to the square root of 5x plus 1 equals 6. So now, let's get rid of the square root sign. So what's the opposite of the square root? Squaring the number, okay? So what we want to do now, let's square both sides, okay? So we square this side and we square this side. What happens here, this crosses this out. So we come down with 5x plus 1 equals 6 squared. 6 times 6, 36. And that's it there. Now, let's get rid of the 1. Okay, it's a plus 1. What's the opposite of that? Minus 1. So let's subtract 1 from both sides. We subtract 1 from this side. We subtract 1 from this side. So this brings this down to 35. These two cross out. So we get 5x equals 35. So how do we get the x by itself? We get 5 times x. So it's a division. So we divide by 5. Divide both sides by 5. So it comes down, we cross these out, because this crosses out. We got x equals 35 divided by 5. It's 7. And that's the answer. That's all there was to it. Okay? So this was a little easier than it looked in the beginning. Okay? A little easier. Okay? Then if you plug it back in, we get the square root. The square root of 5, let's move times 7, plus 1 minus 6 equals 0. So hey, let's do this out and see if this works. Okay, so we get 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 1, we got to still with the square root, minus 6 equals 0. So 35 plus 1 is 36. So the square root of 36 minus 1 minus 6 equals 0. Okay, let's keep going through it. So the square root of 36 is 6, because we know 6 times 6 is 36. So it's 6 minus 6 equals 0. And yes, it does. So that checks out. So our answer was 7, just like we said. Okay, so the teacher knows, hey, our answer is 7. That's what we get a square box around it for. And that's all there was to it. So sometimes when a problem looks a little harder, you just got to say, hey, how can I solve this? I'm just going to do piece by piece by piece. Okay? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'll help my YouTube ratings. And remember what I always say is math can be fun. Have a great day. Thank you.